Picture Rome at sunrise. The Colosseum bathes in soft light, its ancient stones whispering tales of gladiators and roaring crowds. This iconic symbol of Rome, standing tall and timeless, holds within its arches the echoes of a civilization that once was. Can you hear the cheers of the crowd, the clashing of swords, the heartbeat of an empire? The stories of the gladiators who fought within these walls are many, some told, others lost to time. Yet, each stone, each crevice, every grain of sand in the arena holds a piece of that untold history. From the Colosseum, we journey to the Pantheon, another testament to the architectural brilliance of the Romans. This is a monument that has stood the test of time, its massive dome a marvel even in the 21st century. But how has it remained so perfectly preserved through centuries? What secrets does it hold within its walls? The Pantheon, with its perfect proportions and the enigmatic oculus opening to the heavens, continues to invite wonder and admiration. Finally, we step onto the cobblestones of the Roman Forum. Once the heart of the Roman Empire, this sprawling complex was the stage for political, economic, and social life in ancient Rome. As you walk the same paths Julius Caesar once did, you can almost see the bustling marketplace, the grand processions, the passionate speeches. The columns may be weathered, the temples in ruins, but the Forum remains, a silent testament to Rome's grandeur and the epicenter of a civilization that shaped the world. Walking the same cobblestones as Julius Caesar, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. As we journey through the heart of Rome, remember, these are more than just stones and ruins. They are the silent keepers of history, the timeless icons of a city that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. And they continue to tell their stories, whispering tales of glory and time in the eternal city of Rome. Now, imagine standing in the heart of Vatican City beneath the towering dome of St. Peter's Basilica. Can you feel the palpable sense of history and spirituality that permeates the air? Let's take a moment to marvel at the grandeur of this architectural marvel, the largest church in the world. Conceived by the artistic genius of Bramante, Michelangelo, and Bernini, its awe-inspiring edifice has stood here for over 5 centuries as a testament to the enduring power of faith. Each stone, each sculpture, each painting within St. Peter's Basilica tells a story. They whisper tales of devotion, of artistry, of human spirit striving to reflect the divine. Picture the Pietà by Michelangelo, a masterwork of Renaissance sculpture. Carved from a single block of marble, it portrays the Virgin Mary cradling the lifeless body of Jesus. The raw emotion etched into the stone tugs at your heartstrings, doesn't it? It's a visual sermon on love, loss, and redemption. But the basilica is not just an art gallery, it's a spiritual sanctuary. As you walk down the cavernous nave, you can almost hear the echo of prayers whispered by millions of pilgrims who have journeyed here over the centuries. Their collective faith is a tangible presence, a comforting blanket of tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of Rome. Now let's wander into the labyrinthine wonderland that is the Vatican Museums. An unrivaled treasure trove of art and history, it houses an eclectic collection that spans centuries and continents. From ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics to contemporary sculptures, each exhibit is a window into a different era, a different culture. But the real jewel in the crown of the Vatican Museums is the Sistine Chapel. As we step inside, our gaze is inevitably drawn upwards to the mesmerizing ceiling painted by Michelangelo. It's hard to fathom that this intricate tapestry of color and form was created by a man lying on his back on a scaffold, laboring for 4 long years. The ceiling of the Sistine Chapel is more than a masterpiece of art. It's a visual narrative of biblical stories, from the creation of Adam to the Last Judgment. Each panel beckons you to delve deeper, to unravel the layers of symbolism and allegory. Can you see the spark of life being passed from the finger of God to Adam? The intensity in their gazes, the dynamism of their almost touching hands. It's as if Michelangelo captured the very moment of mankind's birth. As we exit the Sistine Chapel, the images linger in our minds, a kaleidoscope of color and emotion. The genius of Michelangelo is not just in his artistic skill, but in his ability to evoke deep, introspective thoughts. His paintings invite us to reflect on our existence, on our place in the grand scheme of the universe. With each brushstroke, Michelangelo tells a story that transcends time. His art is a testament to the enduring power of human creativity, a beacon that continues to illuminate our journey through the corridors of history. They remind us that we are part of a larger narrative, a thread in the rich tapestry of human experience. Away from the grandeur, Rome's soul thrives in its vibrant neighborhoods, like Trastevere. Nestled on the west bank of the Tiber, Trastevere is a charming neighborhood that has managed to maintain an authentic Roman spirit. It's a patchwork of narrow, winding lanes and sun-washed piazzas, each corner revealing a picture-perfect tableau of daily life. Imagine walking these cobblestone streets, each step echoing against the walls of colorful houses draped with ivy and adorned with vibrant murals. As you stroll, you might stumble upon a lively conversation between locals at a corner cafe, or perhaps a spirited game of bocce in a hidden courtyard. This isn't just a neighborhood, it's a living, breathing tapestry of Rome's everyday life, woven with threads of history, culture, and a joyous love of the simple pleasures. As the sun dips below the terracotta rooftops, Trastevere undergoes a metamorphosis. The day's quiet charm gives way to the enchanting buzz of nightfall. The air fills with the sound of clinking glasses and laughter, as trattorias spill over with locals and visitors alike, all drawn by the promise of a hearty meal and the warmth of Roman hospitality. And oh, the food! Roman cuisine is a symphony of flavors, each dish a love letter to the city's rich and varied past. Picture a bowl of creamy carbonara, each strand of spaghetti coated in a velvety sauce of eggs, pecorino, and crisp guanciale, or perhaps a slice of pizza romana, its thin, crispy crust topped with fresh local ingredients. And let's not forget the gelato, each scoop a burst of pure, unadulterated bliss. From the first bite to the last, these dishes are a testament to Rome's ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. The flavors of Rome, as diverse and rich as its history, leave an indelible mark on every visitor. So, whether you're wandering the narrow lanes of Trastevere or savoring the city's legendary cuisine, you're not just experiencing Rome, you're tasting, hearing, and living its soul. But Rome isn't just its famous landmarks. It's a city of secrets waiting to be discovered. Take, for instance, the keyhole on Aventine Hill. It's no ordinary keyhole. Peer through it and you'll be treated to a perfectly framed view of St. Peter's Basilica, a sight that leaves many awestruck. This hidden gem, nestled in one of Rome's 7 hills, is a testament to the city's knack for surprise and wonder. It's a secret whisper of the city, a glimpse into the grandeur of Rome through a tiny, unassuming portal. Just a stone's throw away from the Circus Maximus, we find the enigmatic Mouth of Truth. This massive marble mask, weighing about 1,300 kilograms, is said to bite off the hands of those who dare tell a lie while their hand is placed within its gaping mouth. A fascinating blend of legend and sculpture, this ancient lie detector continues to intrigue visitors and locals alike, adding a dash of mystery to Rome's rich tapestry. But Rome's secrets are not restricted to hidden vistas or ancient artifacts. They extend into the realm of myth and legend, stories whispered from generation to generation. Take the tale of the Capuchin Crypt, for example, a small space beneath a church, adorned with the skeletal remains of 4,000 Capuchin monks. Some say that at midnight the spirits of the monks rise from their eternal slumber and wander the crypt in silent prayer. Or the legend of the Passetto di Borgo, a secret passageway that was once a lifeline for popes in danger, allowing them a safe passage from the Vatican to the fortified Castel Sant'Angelo. The clandestine corridor echoes with the footsteps of a bygone era, reminding us of the city's tumultuous past. Rome, the eternal city, is a labyrinth of hidden stories and forgotten tales, waiting to be discovered, waiting to be told. Every corner, every stone, every shadowy alley holds a secret, a whisper of the past, a hint of the extraordinary. Uncover the secrets behind the eternal city and find yourself immersed in its enchanting narrative. Rome, the eternal city, has a way of making everyone a part of its story. From the sun-drenched stones of the Colosseum, whispering tales of gladiators and spectators, to the awe-inspiring architecture of the Pantheon, a testament to Rome's timeless grandeur. Each cobblestone underfoot in the Roman Forum echoes with the footsteps of ancient Romans, while the vibrant neighborhood of Trastevere buzzes with the pulse of local life. In Vatican City, the spiritual journey of pilgrims is etched into the walls of St. Peter's Basilica, and the profound stories painted on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel gaze down upon us. The flavors of Roman cuisine tantalize our senses, drawing us deeper into the city's soul. As we explore Rome's hidden gems and listen to its lesser-known legends, we become part of the city's ongoing narrative, Imagine walking through history, touching the stones that have seen empires rise and fall, and experiencing the living heart of Italy. Now it's your turn to be a part of Rome's story. We invite you to delve into the layers of history, culture, and cuisine that this eternal city offers. Subscribe to our channel to continue this journey with us. We'd love to hear about your curiosities, your favorite Roman experiences, or what you're most excited to discover about Rome. So drop a comment below and share your Rome with us. Join us on this journey, and let Rome's story become a part of your own.